Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. And so you just want to get your hair and put it in a low ponytail. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to be going with a side part. So I'm using this body wave. It's 22 inches from Love Me. And I'm showing you guys the clips that you can open and close on each side. And what you want to do is just take your hair and place it on to each side. So I'm starting on this side and I'm going to clip it in, and then I'm going to bring it over to the other side and I'm going to push down. And then once you have it in a place that you feel comfortable, you're going to want to close those clips. So they pop in place, so just literally snap. And that's what I'm doing now. Okay, and so it's all in. Hey, so in where? Girl, stop. So take your clips out, your leave out, and then just part your hair the way that you want. So again, I'm going with a side part, so I'm just going to part it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up for you guys. So I know you guys know how to part your hair. You could do a straight part, a middle part, a side part, doesn't matter, it's up to you. So I'm going to take this cheese serum that you can find anywhere. You can find it from Sally's, Walmart, or your local beauty supply. It doesn't matter. Just get a small amount. And the baby's out. She's coming to say hi. Say hi, Layla. I love her so much. She's so cute. Say hi, honey. My baby, guys. I love her so much. She's so sweet. She's 10 months, you guys, and she's actually talking right now in the background. She just woke up from her nap, so I'm going to try to hurry up for you guys. So I am just fixing my hair. So yeah, guys, I'm just fixing my leave out. I'm going to go in with the flat iron and flat iron that leave out so we can lay it, baby. And as you can see right there where it's already like kind of flat, I wore this style yesterday, so I already put some Got to Be gel on there, so it's kind of already laid. And if y'all use Got to Be gel, you know that it definitely works and it definitely hardens fast. So I just kind of left it that way. So I'm flat ironing my leave out once again, and you guys, you can do a middle part, like I said, you can do a side part. It's totally up to you guys, but it's really convenient that you can part your hair anyway. So this part didn't stay down, so I went back in to reclip it. And that's what I love about this, guys. I could take this off at night and wrap my hair. I can just pop it on in the morning. It is so freaking convenient, guys. And again, I got it from Love Me. You can go check their site out. I'll be sure to put it in the description box below, okay? It's 22 inches body weight. So I'm going to take this flyaway stick, and we're going to contain those flyaways, baby. And this came in the box from Love Me, but you can definitely go to Beauty Supply and get a flyaway stick of your choice, okay? All right, guys, so I got everything laid down, and I am going to be going in and laying down my edges with that Got to Be gel once again. And again, you can get this from the Beauty Supply. Just dab a small amount, guys. I recommend, because when I used it yesterday, I put too much. So this is the finished product, you guys. This is a quick U-part. Get it, U-part it how you want to, ladies. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you care. Bye.